guys, Darren here. Welcome back to my channel. It is that very special time of the year where I organize all of this, all of my kids' beautiful artwork from the year, and I love bringing you guys along for the process. I love organization and decluttering, all that in general. By the way, on Instagram I just saw this quote: every piece of clutter in your house used to be $1 in your wallet. That blew my mind, and that'll make me think twice when I buy more crap. But anyways, so it's the end of the school year. My favorite thing to do is organize all the kids' art and share with you guys how I store it, what I do, what my methods are. And I love my methods so much that they actually haven't changed much in the past year. So if you watched a previous video, this is just a refresher. I love my system. It works. Before we get into that though, let's talk end of year teacher gifts. For our elementary teachers, we're doing this. I got it on Amazon. I will link it for you, as well as like a gift card and some candy, just a few little things thrown in there. And then last day of school pictures, I always get asked about this sign, and oh my goodness. Okay, I think it's from Light and Timber. I don't remember exactly. I will link it. It's an Etsy shop. This little thing moves down, and this you take off, and it's either first or last. Oh, and I think I paid extra for this, so I have the other two boys' names as well. How cute is that for last day signs? If you don't want to invest that much, Target has this. First day of school, last day of school. And this was only like $5. So whatever you do, get those pictures. Okay, let's talk about pictures, by the way. So I also, at this time of year, organize our photos. I've shared these bins before. They're the best if you have printed photos. One time, I wish I could remember what year it was that I did this. I have a feeling it was before I had children, but what I did was I organized all of our old photos, like from when we were little, that we had, and it was actually so easy. I put them each in one of these and then just labeled it with the year, or like I was like Marion's childhood, you know, just to have them so that now when I want to find something, it makes it so easy. So these days I don't print too many like 4x6 photos. I still do on occasion, and I like having a place to put them. Let's talk albums. Okay, I have 3 different types of albums that I do, and I do them all on Chatbooks. I have used Chatbooks for years, and finally I reached out to them and I was like, can I work with you guys? And they said yes, so I have a discount code for you guys if you want. They are literally the easiest way to get photos in an album, and I'll tell you why. I have used many other online like album making things, and some of them just have a literal endless amount of options, and for a person like me that's overwhelming because I want it to be perfect. So I will spend hours and hours and hours making books, and then in the end it's like too expensive, or I've just wasted a ton of time. Chatbooks is so easy because you literally just select the photos and pop them in. If you want, you can use the collage option where they can put between 1 and 4 pictures per page, but that's it. You're not resizing, you're not decorating, you're just making it into the album, and the simplicity means you get it done, because it takes me literally 20 minutes maximum to make the album, so they get done. Okay, so this is what I do. For each kid's birthday, I make them a birthday party album, and it's super easy because I literally just take the shots of the day, whatever I favorited on my phone, and put them all in the book. So from the party that day, I probably favorited like 50 pictures and just pop them in, and that's it. And the boys love these. I'm gonna try and find the videos on my camera. Each of them keeps their collection in their room of all their birthday parties, and they love looking through it and seeing their friends, what we did to celebrate them. And it's just the best way to capture the year in a super simple way. Like, it takes me no time, right? It's just the photos from that day, make the book, and then they love it. So that's one thing I do. Then if we go on a vacation in the year, I make a vacation album. So this was ours from the beach last year. This had a lot of pictures in it. I think this was like over 200. So you can fit a large amount if it's hard for you to narrow it down. But I do one of these for each of our trips. And then the last thing I do is if we do a photo shoot, which in our family is often, like at least once a year, I make a little mini album of that. So this was Zachary's newborn one. So cute. So this is the collage function, by the way, if you want to have like multiple per page. But again, that's so easy to do, to just do 2 per page, like not a lot of design. Okay, those are the chapbooks. Putting the link for you guys. Definitely get that done. Now let's get into the artwork. I literally have to pick up my son from preschool in 10 minutes, but I really want to get started on this. So I use, by the way, how cute. I use these albums. They are, I think, Bumble, Bubble, Butterfly. I don't remember exactly, but I'll link them for you. They're on Amazon. They're 12 by 12 inch scrapbooks. And what I do is I put their picture on the front, their picture day picture, and then inside I do each of their school pictures from each year. I have to add one more to Corey's. And then I put their, I don't want to show it, but I put their class picture. So each year I do a black sheet with their class picture, and then next comes all of the artwork that they did that year that I wanted to save. And I'm like pretty, not ruthless, but I only save the ones I actually love, because I just find when you save everything, then nothing is special. Do you know what I mean? So only save like the stuff I really, really love that he did. And if I have a picture of him doing the artwork, oh, by the way, I also have a few of these after each year's section. Any like 4x6s that I print out from the school year, I drop in there as well. But if there's a photo of him doing the art project, I include that in there. So then I think it's like really special too, because you like see what they look like and you see them making it. So I just think it's so nice to kind of have things preserved in this way. And then so they have one for preschool, and then so far we've done just one for elementary school, because my kids are not bringing home that much stuff in elementary school. So Corey's is almost done. He's graduating preschool this year. So I'm going to finish up his. And then Max has his elementary school binder, so I'm going to add to that. And then I'm starting Zachary's, because he did a Mommy and Me program this year. Sorry, I'm like not talking to the camera, I'm just looking at all the art. He did a Mommy and Me program this year, so he has some art from that, and that'll be his first section. Oh my goodness, I'm a little overwhelmed. Not in the sense like I can't get this done, more just like I need a good hour to do this, and I think I'm gonna come back tomorrow. I got everything out. That was step one. The other thing I did is I did a, what's it called? A search on my phone photos by location. So I went to the preschool, did search nearby photos, and then all the photos from this year at preschool came up. I added them to an album, and I'm just gonna print the ones I love. So that was a really easy way to just print some pictures from this year from school. And I got that done. Okay, so I really just need to put the stuff in the album. Maybe take it down a little bit, like narrow it down a little to only the favorites, and then we'll be good to go.